What is the name of the galaxy that was the site of a collision with the Milky Way in the past? Andromeda Galaxy, Triangulum Galaxy, Whirlpool Galaxy, Large Magellanic Cloud. The correct answer is Large Magellanic Cloud. How did the prehistoric Glyptodon protect itself from predators? It rolled into a ball using its armored shell. It blended into the environment for camouflage. It released a foul odor to scare attackers. It spat venom at its enemies. The correct answer is, it rolled into a ball using its armored shell. How many stars were on the first US coin? 13, 20, 50, none. The correct answer is 13. Gallium is often used in medical imaging devices such as X-ray machines, CT scanners, MRI machines, PET scanners. The correct answer is PET scanners. The famous historian and geographer Strabo was born in Alexandria. He is best known for his work titled The Histories, The Republic, The Geographica, The Iliad. The correct answer is the Geographica. What is the capital city of Germany? Berlin, München, Hamburg, Frankfurt. The correct answer is Berlin. Which lake is the world's largest freshwater lake by surface area? Lake Victoria, Lake Michigan, Lake Baikal, Lake Superior. The correct answer is Lake Superior. Which island lies near the toe of Italy's boot-shaped peninsula? Sardinia, Sicily, Corsica, Malta. The correct answer is Sicily. Which symbol is most strongly associated with Islam? Cross, Star of David, Crescent Moon and Star. OM symbol. The correct answer is Crescent Moon and Star. Which Romance language is spoken by the greatest number of people worldwide? French, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese. The correct answer is Spanish. What pigment gives plants their green color? Melanin, hemoglobin, chlorophyll, carotene. The correct answer is chlorophyll. Which bird has an eye that is bigger than its brain? Eagle, ostrich, owl, flamingo. The correct answer is ostrich. Which star is the closest one to Earth? Proxima Centauri, the Moon, Mars, the Sun. The correct answer is the Sun. In which country was the Titanic constructed? England, Scotland, Ireland, Wales. The correct answer is Ireland. How many muscles are responsible for moving the human eye? 4, 6, 8, 10. The correct answer is 6.